I actually got meat from City Market. Oh, quite a lot. I got these. This is chicken. This is chicken, and this is beef. Beef is 550. That is beef on bone, and then steak is 650. Yeah, steak is 650. Then chicken broiler, they sell package. Package is 400 shillings, and kienyeji is 800 shillings. Yeah, so I got saying the price of what I got. I don't know about the rest, so that's what I got. The place doesn't look so organized, but I was just trying to get some space for the meat before I slept. I have some pre-cooked pulses there, and yeah, let's organize together. If you know where I can get those Ziploc bags, I'd really appreciate that, because these bags are not giving what they're supposed to give. They look so messy and the blood overflows. So they have a like a nylon paper lining inside, but it still doesn't work well. You can see there is so much blood from the meat. So I think the bags would be the best, because containers won't be stackable. They'll take too much space. So enjoy the video and plug me if you have a plug, and also give me the price range.